Good Friday morning, YouTube. Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Lawrenceville, Georgia today. Got a 3-area job here we're going to do. It's about 9:15. You see, this is obviously the dog's room. We got the lot of red clay. Got some spot cleaner stuff here. So we got a bedroom, hall, and a set of stairs. So I wanted you guys to see how well the citrus cleaner works on this red clay, because we're here in Georgia and we get a lot of red clay. But the red clay is a phosphorus, and as you can see, it takes it right out. So all I've done is pre-treat this with our proprietary exclusive cleaner, which again is non-soapy, non-foamy. This is a 3-area job. As you can see, it's pretty heavily soiled. Again, there was no extra charge for this. Most carpet cleaners see this kind of stuff and they're going to charge you more because it's dirty. Well, OMG's philosophy is you called to have the carpet clean, so cleaning shouldn't cost extra. But then again, we're not all carpet cleaners, but we've been on many jobs where we wish we'd had, it'd be nice to charge extra because you can make a lot more money, but that's not our business model. So as you can see, all the red clay is gone. And all we did was load up the areas with a lot more citrus, take our time with the machine, make sure that citrus has a chance to basically neutralize that red clay. That orange stuff there is probably Kool-Aid. Went over to the homeowner, that was not going to come out. Same thing with these little round spots there. And that spot over there, this blue spot. But we cover that in the initial walkthrough. We're going to shut a red clay in the hallway. You can probably see on the brush there. See the white stuff on the brush down there. That's soap from the home shampooer that they use. Like I said, those home shampooers aren't very good. Actually cause more problems than help. You see all that red clay coming right out. Good looking stuff. Fast and easy. Quick money. Okay, YouTube, it's 10 o'clock. We just finished up with this 3-area job. Took a little longer than expected because the stairs were in pretty bad shape as far as hair goes and whatnot. But homeowner was very happy with the outcome, even though, as I said before, those were not going to come out. There's the hallway. So that's it for this job. 3-area job, that internet special, $100. Took about 45 minutes. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning. OMGFloorCare.com. No upsells, no per spot fees, no hidden charges of any kind. 404-500-9853 or on the web at OMGFloorCare.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.